Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is dashboard. Dashboard shows data from source reports as visual components which can be chart, gauge, tables, matrix or visual force pages. The components provide a snapshot of key metrics and performance indicator for our organization. Static dashboard are the basic dashboard types that will be visible to any user who has made a report out of the data. An example of this is what a sales manager, marketing manager would be able to see on his Salesforce org. In other words, a normal dashboard shows data only from a single user's perspective. Steps to create dashboard. Step 1. Click dashboard on the tab. Step 2. Click new dashboard button. Step 3. Click on plus symbol component button. Step 4. Choose the report. Step 5. Finally click on save button. Let's see an example. Create a dashboard on opportunities report. So already we had created an opportunity report. On that report we are going to create a dashboard. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So from the app launcher, just I am searching for sales app, that is a standard one. And here we are seeing the dashboard in the tab bar. Click on this. So from here we can search already created dashboard, and from here we can create a folder. By clicking on this button we are going to create a new dashboard. And selecting the folder, select folder. Private folder is already selected. Click on select folder, and from here we can create our own folder also. New folder name, so we are giving the name Salesforce dashboard for our folder. Click save, and I am choosing our folder Salesforce dashboard. Select dashboard, and for the dashboard we are giving the name new opportunity dashboard. Click create. On plus widget, we are able to see chart or table, text, image. Clicking on chart or table, so already we had created a new opportunity report. Select this. So now it's giving the probability of selecting display as, so horizontal bar, then vertical bar, donut chart. So I am going with donut chart. So value is record count sliced by lead source. So lead source, display unit, shortened number, showing the number, decimal places automatic, sort by lead source, count link, maximum values displayed, and the title of this report is new opportunity report. We can change from here, subtitle, footer, legend position. So click on add, and also by clicking on this we can expand this. So click on done, save. Like this we are creating the dashboard. So total number of opportunities are 38. Then on the behalf of lead source we can see the data. So like this we are dealing with dashboard. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.